Let's see what they have in Christmas tree shops. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. As we get ready for the holiday season, we're all out here shopping and browsing and trying to find the decor that we want to have in those perfect pieces. Well, today I'm going shopping at Christmas tree shops. So shop along with me and maybe you'll see something you like. Today's video is part of the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown, hosted by the Queens of Christmas, Holiday Decor Club, with our main host, the beautiful Miss Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living. All of my other co-hosts will be listed in the description box below. Make sure you stop by their channels. Show them some love. Now enjoy this beautiful holiday music. Thank you for shopping along with me at Christmas Tree Shops. Although I didn't find what I wanted today, it's always nice to look around at all the beautiful decor that's in the stores for the holiday season. I'd like to thank my beautiful co-hosts, the Queens of Christmas, Holiday Decor Club, with main host Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living. All of my co-host channels will be linked in my description box below. Stop by their channels and show them some love, and make sure you tell them Amethyst sent you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I got a question. What are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Okay, well, I found a couple things I like. Don't know if I found anything that I love. So, nothing is on clearance except for fall, so I may just pass on Christmas tree.